of the 14th century Singapore.
Hello and welcome to Singapore. We are now here at Fort Canning Park. So there's also 4 parks within this area. So you can have logs galore. Some swing for the kids. And there's an escalator. So no need to walk up. The escalator is operating at 7:30 to 9 p.m. There's the stairs. And there are escalator. Let's see what we can do upstairs. Okay, there's a lot of construction going on around here. So we need to do the stairs. I think this is higher than Batu Caves. But good thing the steps here are wide. So you can see my foot. Size 12, it fits that one. It's made with this red bricks. Good luck to us. We just ate at the SG Hawker just across Fort Canning Park. When you're going here, you ride the blue line. The blue line goes straight here in the Fort Canning station. So earlier there was some rain showers. Good thing it stopped. And it's cloudy now, so it's not too hot. It's already 2 p.m. here at Singapore. Oh, there's a calisthenics park here.
That's just out of the way, right?
See? This is what we need in the Philippines.
We're going to the tunnel.
Let me try. I just ate something. So weak. Here.
Log.
We need this kind of park in the Philippines.
Parallel bars.
I'm so weak.
On my knees. Dito tayo sa tunnel.
Log. Okay, go there.
We're going to Fort Canning tunnel.
We go to the tunnel. Fort Canning 3 tunnel. Whew. I need to make myself stronger. Whew. They're building all the escalators now or making new ones. I'll just walk. See the excitement when seeing the escalator.
Buwan pala ito dati.
So you can take a bath here.
This is the bathing pool of the 14th century Singapore prince and princesses.
Wow. So beautiful here. Right at the heart of, right at the center of the city. There's someone walking the stairs. Look. Stairs challenge. Go here.
This is the Fort Canning Hotel.
There's a pool.
Fort Canning Hotel.
Rubber tree. Rubber tree or banyan tree. I don't know if it's banyan. You'll see in my videos in Hawaii, there's a lot of banyan trees there. Looks like this, but I think this is a rubber tree. This is the hotel, Fort Canning Hotel. I think you can also go here through Dobigot Station. Dobigot Hotel Fort Canning. This is the Jelutong tree. Oh. In KL Tower, in my previous video, you can see there's a Jelutong tree just beside that one. It's very tall and a big, wide. I think it's 100 years old already. So there are names for trees. If you like trees and nature, there's a lot of species here. And manok na pula, rooster. Very nice, well-maintained park here. No need to pay anything. There's no entrance fee. You can just go here and stroll, do some hiking in the city. It's really tiring, a little tiring. And there you see all the mountains, very spacious. So now we are going to the Fort Canning Tree Tunnel.
I'll have to see that photo of Loka. Where it is?
This is a famous landmark here in Fort Canning Station. There are some steep slope. Not really tiring. It's nice. They are making some photo ops here.
Ay, tayo ng Dobigot na train.